friends, today we are going to play a very interesting game. With that, we will learn addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So, what we require? We require a small cup. You can use anything, any utensils, anything you can use for this. I use some beads. At place of beads, you can use some these beads, some these chips or anything, whatever you are having at your home. And one blank chart paper. Now, what to do? Suppose I want to do addition. Let's write one small equation. 4 plus 5 equals to what? Take beads. First of all, take 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now keep it in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means 4 plus 5 equals to 9. Yay! Now next, take it back, all the beads. With that, now as the same thing, again we will try another equation so that we can clear it out more better than this. Let's take 3 plus 7. Again, take 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Keep it 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. Now, take 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you can see, now count it. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means our answer is 10. Yay! Now solve. Let's take little bit big number. Let's take 2, 3, 5. How we will read it out? It's 235. Add up 5, 3, 1. Ooh, little bit big number. How we will add it up? Let's start. For adding up, let's start from the back. Always remember, we are mentioning the unit place. 1, 10 and 100. Okay. Now let's start. Always remember that we are adding up from the ones place. Okay. So, how many beads? On the first place is 5. Let's keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one. 4. And 5. Keep it 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take 1. Count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 5 plus 1 is 6. That's good. Now another one. It's 3 plus 3. How much? Let's get 1, 2, 3. Take it out. Another 6. 1, 2, 3. Now take 3 more beads. 1, 2, 3. It means 3 plus 3 we will get 6. Now another one. It's 2 plus 5. Let's take it out. All the beads. And again keep it. So 2 plus 5. Let's take 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it at 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means our answer is 7. So here's the answer. It's 766. Same thing we will go in a subtraction. Now think it out. How we will do the subtraction? If I'm writing the equation is 7 minus 4 equals to how much? So we will start from the first one is 7. So let's take 7 call. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now minus 4. As you people know that in minus we are taking back something. So how much we have to take it back? 4. So from the back we will start. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means till here we will take up our beads back. Okay. So now here we go. How much is left? It's 3. So our answer is 3. Now let me solve one more equation, that is let's take 10 minus 4. Oh, let's take 5. It's better to take 5. Okay. Now take 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So and keep it 1 in every one. I'm keeping all this in it. Okay. Now how much I have to take it back? 5. But always remember that from the back we are taking back the number. Okay. So how much we have to take it? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means till here we have to take our beads back. Okay. Now how much we are getting back? How much number we are getting? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5. Good. Let's little bit bigger equation. Again mention the place value. It is very much important to mentioning the place value. Okay, that we will learn in our next video. So let's learn it's 7, 5, 2, 1, 3, 4. How we will do this equation? So let's start again. As I already told you, in addition, same thing we will do in the subtraction. We will start from the ones place, means from the back side. So how many is number over here? It's 2. Keep it at 1, 2. How many I have to take it back? It's 1. So from the back I will start. It's 1. So what is the answer? It's 1. Good. Now again, how many beads I have to take it? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many I have to take it back? 3. Again, same thing. Remember that from the back we have to take the beads back. So 1, 2, 3 means 3 beads I have to take it back. Okay. So how much of the answer? It's 1, 2. Again. Now, how much the number? It's 7. So, let's take some more beads and keep it till the 7. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how much I have to take it back? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I will take it back. Now, how much is left? It's 3. Our answer is 3. Now come on.
Start.
Okay. Before starting the topic of multiplication, let me clear you. What is multiplication? Acha, tell me. If I said 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So you will feel bored to again the same number again and again and again and again. So for that we use what? We will use multiplication. How? Which number is repeating? It's 2. Okay. Multiply. Now next, how many times? Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will write over here 7. Let's multiply. 7 twos are? It's 14. Okay. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is the just repeating addition. When we are adding again and again and again a particular number, at that time, at place of adding, we are using multiplication. Okay. Now let's do with some activity. Okay. So let's see. 3 multiply by 5. Ooh. If you know the table, then easily you can do. But if I don't know the table, then how I will do? For this, let's do an experiment. Okay. So how much is written? It's 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. But I will not take 3. We will see the backside number. So what is this? It is a 5. So we will use till 5. Okay. Now take beads. Till 5, you have to keep the beads until unless in each box you will get 3 beads. Okay. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now you can see in each box I am having 3 beads. Now take it out all together in another plate. Okay. I am taking out. Now count it all the beads. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So our answer is 15. Okay. Now let's do one more question. Okay. So here we will go. Let's take another example. 10 multiplied by 3. Again we have to take only 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. In that 3 box, each box should be contain 10 beads. So let's keep it 10 beads in one box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it in one box. Now another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now keep it in another one. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now keep it in third box. As you can see that each box containing 10 beads. And how many boxes I used? Only 3. Now count it all together. Let's count it. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 10 multiplied 3 by is 30. Okay. So in this way we will do the multiplication. Now come on division. What is division? Before explaining about the division, I want to say something about the division. What is division? Division means equal sharing. Suppose I am having 5 toffee. In front of me 5 students are standing. I want to give toffee equally to each student. What I will do? Definitely I will give one toffee to each student. What I did? In this case I did it divide. Now take another example. Suppose I am having 12 bananas. In front of me, 4 students are standing. What I will do? And I want to give equal distribution of banana in between all 4 students. For this, again I will do division. So, division means equal sharing. Okay? So, let's take one example. Same thing, 12 bananas I want to distribute in between 4 students. What I will do? Let's take 12 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I use 10 beads. And now I will take 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's keep these beads in these 4 boxes. Let's start keep 1 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now each box having equal distribution. In one box it's 3. In another also it's 3. In third also 3. In fourth is also 3. It means 12 divided by 4 I got 3. Okay. Let's take another example. It's 24 divided by 6. Again, let's check it. What will be the answer? Let's take 24 beads in my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It's total 24. Now let's again keep 1 bead till where? Till 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Till where I have to take? Now take 1 bead in each box till 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now the last part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can see in each box I am having equal numbers of beads. In first box I am having 4. In second 4, third 4, fourth 4, fifth 4 and 6. Let's count it. All the beads. Take all the beads in a same. Let's count it in all the beads in all the boxes. It's 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. It means 24 divided by 6 is 4. Okay. So this is the way how to learn addition, subtraction, multiplication and division with the help of beads. Thank you.